In this video, we want to investigate elapsed time, or the duration. How long is it between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m? How many hours is that? So the way I like to investigate and I like to solve the problem of elapsed time, or how long a duration is I like to set it up like this. If I want to find out how long it is between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m, what I like to use is I like to use a bridging marker. So I know that 12 sits between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. So I write 9 a.m. down the bottom and 4 p.m. To the right hand side. And then I put a big 12 in the middle of the page. So I know from 9 a.m. to 12 midday, it is 3 hours. It's 3 hours from 9 a.m. till 12. And then from 12 till 4 is 4 hours. So I know the duration, the elapsed time that is taken to go from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. is 7 hours, because 3 hours plus 4 hours is 7 hours. Okay, now we want to find out the duration, or the elapsed time, between 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. Once again, I use my benchmark of 12 o'clock. Between 11 a.m. and 12 o'clock, it's 1 hour. From 12 till 9 is 9 hours. I know 1 hour plus 9 hours is 10 hours. So the time between 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. is 10 hours. Here's our next example. We have 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. and we want to find out how long is it between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. What's that duration? What's the elapsed time? So from 7 a.m. till 12 midday is 5 hours. From 12 midday till 6 p.m. is 6 hours. We can see that 5 hours plus 6 hours is 11 hours. So between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m, it's 11 hours. Let's apply the strategy that we've just used and do a more challenging question. So what is the time? How long is it? What's the duration between 2:25 and 3:40? How long do I have? What is the elapsed time? What is the duration between 2:25 and 3:40? The first thing I think of is, what's my benchmark? Okay, my benchmark is 3 o'clock. From 2:25 to 3 o'clock is 35 minutes. From 3 o'clock to 3:40 is 40 minutes. So I know it is 75 minutes, or an hour and 15 minutes, from 2:25 to 3:40. Now that you've learnt this strategy of using a benchmark to solve elapsed time, or durations of time, what I want you to do is go and have a go at this yourself. Try to work out the duration between two times yourself. See how you go. Use a benchmark and try to work out what the duration of time is.